Hey all, Ankit Kishore this side from Stray Fleet team and welcome back to my channel. So I have created this triangle of, it is a very far OTM option by the way. So this is a triangle of 750 points and from here the put is almost 450 points away and call is almost 300 points away. I will switch the put, okay, but the premium in the put side is quite high. That is the reason why I have taken this put, okay, and it is still inflating. So this is a matter of concern for me. So the thing is, what is the adjustment point for me? See, as and when it will reach to 44, okay, and yeah, 44 and above. So what I will be doing, I will switch this P to 17100, okay, and उसके बाद फिर मैं अभी फ़िलहाल तो उसके बाद कुछ एडजस्टमेंट नहीं करूँगा, मैं शायद दोनों को एसएल डाल दूँगा और दिस इज द वे आई विल बी ट्रेडिंग, ओके, लेट्स सी. सो आई विल गिव यू अपडेट आफ्टर दैट ओनली, ओके, वेट अवे. Okay then, quick update. Time is 9:34, and as of now the running profit is almost 4 points, 5 points, yeah, almost 4 to 5 points. So let's see how much more I can capitalize from here. I am looking for at least 7-8 points from here. Okay, so I'm not having a very big target today, and you know, I won't be playing that much. And yesterday only I got a hit, and that too, that wasn't a big hit, but still I consider it as a hit. So today I will be bit conservative with the approach. Okay, so let's see how much more I can capitalize from here, and after hitting my target, if I will get to 6-7 points, I mean that is 7k plus, so from there I will keep on trailing SL with 3 points of SL. That will be my way of doing for today. Okay, so as of now if you will see this, how much profit, what will be the adjustment point for me. See, मैंने यहाँ पे ऐसे लगा, चार्ट से नहीं, मैं ऐसे से बताता हूँ. मैंने यहाँ पे एसएल लगा रखा है दोनों पे 55.4 का. ओके, इन दोनों में से कोई भी अगर एसएल हिट करता है तो व्हाट आई विल बी डूइंग कि मैं उस साइड को स्विच कर दूंगा, उसके एक नीचे स्ट्राइक नीचे पे. ओके, लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल अगर ये पुट में एसएल हिट करता है, देन आई विल स्विच इट अगेन बैक टू दिस थिंग 17050. ओके, दिस विल बी माई प्लान फॉर नाउ. ओके, आई विल गिव यू अपडेट लेटर ऑन. ओके देन, time is 9:40 and my target is already done, okay, of 7 points. So from here I won't be booking it obviously. Okay, I will try to capitalize much more than that, and I will see how much more I can capitalize from here. Okay, so let's see. Now my SL will be what, I think I won't be keeping anything more than break even or 1 or 2k in positive. Okay, if that will get hit, then I will simply get out. Okay, let's see how much more I can capitalize, and it's completely depend on the VIX. Okay, if I will see that VIX is going up now, then I will book it anytime. Okay, anytime. And if I will see that okay, VIX is cooling down, so I know that if VIX will cool down, these OTM options will give a very quick decay. Okay, so I will simply take exit right there, not now. Okay, this is the plan of action for now, and as of now अगर ये भी देखोगे आप तो this is ranging in this zone. Let's see how much more it will sustain in this zone. अगर इस जोन पे काफ़ी देर रहता है, मतलब अगर ये जो अपना इसने हाई बनाया है, वेट मैं आपको बताता हूँ, सॉरी, अगर ये इस जोन पे ही रहता है, ठीक है, कुछ देर और, तो फिर मुझे 10k मिल जाएगा, और 10k आई एम मोर देन हैप्पी टू बुक इट राइट देयर ओनली. ओके, तो लेट्स सी. I will give you update later on. Okay then, so I took a exit, although I took exit I think at the worst price. Okay, why I'm saying this? I took exit at this low, और मुझे पता था कि अगर ये यहाँ से एक ग्रीन कैंडल, छोटा भी ग्रीन कैंडल टाइप का कुछ बनेगा, then it will hurt me because there will be a huge decay, crash in put side premium. This put side has spiked a lot. Okay, so let's see ये फॉल कंटिन्यू होता है या नहीं. एंड द रीज़न वॉज वेरी सिंपल वाई टुक द एग्जिट, बिकॉज दिस लो हैज़ गॉट ब्रोकन. ओके, आई जस्ट वांट टू सी वेदर दिस विल सस्टेन और नॉट. अगर ये लो हाई फिर से टूटता है इस रेड कैंडल का, देन आई विल टेक एंट्री अगेन. ओके, दिस इज माई एंट्री पॉइंट नाउ, and I know till that I will be losing a lot, means in terms of the premium which I could have capitalized on, but yeah, that's completely okay. Better to play safe today. And at a point of time I was up by 9.4k, and it was going really good, and the decay was also very good, but the way it fall from here was very horrible. Okay, so can't help it. Let's see, I will give you update later on. Okay, so time is 10:15. I have taken re-entry and this time I will hold it जब तक मुझे एटलीस्ट 10 के प्लस नहीं मिलता. एंड माई स्ट्रिक्ट एसएल फॉर द डे इज़ 1500 rupees. Okay, as and when MTM will touch 1500 rupees, I will simply take the exit for the day. I don't want any hit today in my account. Okay, so this is how I will be trading. So above 10k or whatever, if I will get any, then this will be a very good thing for me. If not also, then that's also completely fine for me, because I have a strict SL and that's actually a calculative SL and that is not actually a SL. ओके, अगर 1500 पे मैं निकलता हूँ तो इट विल बी अ ब्रेक इवन डे फॉर मी एंड दैट्स कम्प्लीटली फाइन. ओके, लेट्स सी हाउ मच मैं यहाँ से कितना डीके और ले पाता हूँ. सो आई विल ट्राई टू कैपिटलाइज मच मोर देन दिस. ओके, एंड वेट या, सो दिस इज अ थिंग एंड आई विल लेट यू नो. ओके, आई विल लेट यू नो फॉर द वेट. बाय द वे, मैंने आपको बोला था ना इस जोन पे, जब तक ये इस जोन पे था इट वाज गिविंग डिसेंट प्रॉफिट टू मी. एट अ पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम आई वाज अप टू what 97-9600 rupees. Okay, and he also, when it went till hit this high, I again went till 91-92. But thing here, it is not sustaining on the upper zone, and if it will start sustaining up in the upper zone, then what I will be doing, ये जैसे 37.8 या 38 को क्रॉस करेगा, I will switch this to this. Okay, this is my adjustment point for now. Okay, so I will give you update later on. Okay, so I have to give you update here only. Time is 10:17. Just now I have given you update. What happened now? Wait, I will show you here. I was trying to put order through Sensible. I always put order through Sensible only. Let me show you this also. Okay, so this is the what I used to trade, take entry. And what happened when I tried to take entry? So मैंने देखा नहीं कि मैंने क्वांटिटी कितना किया हुआ है, और मैंने यहाँ पे मुझे करना था 1100 क्वांटिटीज़, बट मैंने 50-50 क्वांटिटीज़ कर दिया और एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम निफ्टी सूट अप. ओके, और यहाँ पे मैंने आपको बताया था ये रेड कैंडल का हाइट जैसे ही टूटेगा तो फिर मैं यहाँ पे शिफ्ट करूँगा. अगर मैंने उस वक्त शिफ्ट कर दिया होता, सो आई वुड हैव गॉट ए रियली गुड प्रॉफिट, बट दैट्स कम्प्लीटली फाइन. ये 10K था तभी मैंने बुक किया बाय द वे, लेकिन वो इतना क्विकली फ्लक्चुएट कर रहा था. I had to book it right here. Okay, so can't help it. No, it was a mistake from my end, and it has taken what, somewhere. Wait, let me show you this. 7 and 20, 38.5. Wait a while. Yeah, it has taken almost 1-2 points of profit from me. Means मैं 11-12 के profit में रहता अभी, but that's completely fine. I can't help it. Mistake done is a mistake done. Okay. So that's all. Okay, so today I have made 9.2k, and yeah, that's all for today, I guess. And if I will take any entry in the second half or whenever, I will definitely let you know. Okay, so thanks a lot for your time, and I think this is it for the day, because my mindset, I'm very genuine with you. My mindset today, I don't know why, but this is not in the perfect place as it should be. Okay, so when you are not in the perfect mindset, so on that particular day it's better for you to not to take any trade. Okay, so मैं आपको भी सजेस्ट करूँगा, जब जिस दिन भी इफ़ यू आर फीलिंग नॉट कंफर्टेबल, अगर आप कंफर्टेबल फील नहीं कर रहे हो किसी भी ट्रेड को लेकर के, एंड इफ़ यू हैव टेकन दिस ट्रेड, simply think of it that you are in the wrong trade. First thing. Second, if it is not a wrong trade, it's just that you are not in the perfect mindset आपकी उससे आप उसे ट्रेड कर सको. सो उस कंडीशन में इट्स ऑलवेज बेटर कि आप कोई भी एंट्री नहीं लो. अगर आपने ले रखा है तो इट्स बेटर टू बुक, एंड वी आर हैविंग गुड प्रॉफिट. आई नो, आई बाय द वे आई मेड यूज़ ऑफ जस्ट 20 lakhs फॉर ऑल दिस ट्रेड्स. आई डिडंट मेड यूज़ ऑफ 39 lakh बिकॉज मैंने आपको बताया अभी जस्ट कि आई वॉज नॉट इन द बेस्ट स्टेट ऑफ माई माइंड. ओके, सो आई थॉट कि टुडे आई वोंट बी टेकिंग बिग क्वांटिटीज़, and on Monday I might not take entry. Let's see, because I am trading from the past many days continuously. I haven't taken even a single day break, so I think I need a break. Okay, and Saturday Sunday is not a break, it's a break given by the market itself. So on Monday I might take entry, I might not take entry. If I will take entry, I will take entry in this quantity only, not more than this. Okay, let's see, I will give you update later on.